Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. She feeds her cats. Listen and repeat. She has 2 cats. One cat is black. The other cat is white. The black cat's name is Tom. The white cat's name is Lucky. She feeds her cats. She puts their food in dishes. She puts each dish on the floor. She calls her cats. They come into the kitchen. They eat the food. Listen and answer. Does she have 2 cats?
Yes, she has 2 cats.
Who has 2 cats?
Helen has 2 cats.
What does she have?
She has 2 cats.
Is one cat black?
Yes, one cat is black.
What is black?
One cat is black.
What color is one cat?
One cat is black.
Is the other cat white?
Yes, the other cat is white.
What is white?
The other cat is white.
What color is the other cat?
The other cat is white.
Is the black cat's name Tom?
Yes, the black cat's name is Tom.
Who is Tom?
Tom is the black cat.
What is the black cat's name?
The black cat's name is Tom.
Is the white cat's name Lucky?
Yes, the white cat's name is Lucky.
Who is Lucky?
Lucky is the white cat.
What is the white cat's name?
The white cat's name is Lucky.
Does she feed her cats?
Yes, she feeds her cats.
Who feeds her cats?
Helen feeds her cats.
What does she feed?
She feeds her cats.
Does she put their food in dishes?
Yes, she puts their food in dishes.
Who puts their food in dishes?
Helen puts their food in dishes.
What does she put in dishes?
She puts their food in dishes.
Does she put each dish on the floor?
Yes, she puts each dish on the floor.
Who puts each dish on the floor?
Helen puts each dish on the floor.
What does she put on the floor?
She puts each dish on the floor.
Does she call her cats?
Yes, she calls her cats.
Who calls her cats?
Helen calls her cats.
What does she call?
She calls her cats.
Do they come into the kitchen?
Yes, they come into the kitchen.
Who come into the kitchen?
The cats come into the kitchen.
Where do they come?
They come into the kitchen.
Do they eat the food?
Yes, they eat the food.
Who eat the food?
The cats eat the food.
What do they eat?
They eat the food.
Point of view. Yesterday. Listen and repeat. She had 2 cats. One cat was black. The other cat was white. The black cat's name was Tom. The white cat's name was Lucky. She fed her cats. She put their food on dishes. She put each dish on the floor. She called her cats. They came into the kitchen. They ate the food. Point of view. Tomorrow. Listen and repeat. She will have 2 cats. One cat will be black. The other cat will be white. The black cat's name will be Tom. The white cat's name will be Lucky. She will feed her cats. She will put their food on dishes. She will put each dish on the floor. She will call her cats. They will come into the kitchen. They will eat the food. Vocabulary. Cat. Black. White. Name. Feed. Food. Dish. Floor. Kitchen. Eat. Question of the day. Do you have any cats? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.